young artists today, who do you think can be the next star? Ay, prediction. Are there artists you wish to collaborate or work with on screen or in the music studio?
I have actually iniisip ko, okay, for an album, hindi ko pa alam kung sino yung gusto kong maka-collaborate, but if I do an album, siguro collaboration ko is maybe a guy na singer, for a duet maybe, or a group. For acting, singer, actress, and singer, actress. Sino ba mga magagaling yun? Ang dami, actually, si Julian. Well, of course, we have Sarah, no? Who can sing and dance and act. Ano pa ba?
So you would want someone na parang kayo rin, triple threat, sing, dance, act din na artist?
Oh, was that the question?
Ay, hindi naman.
Parang
sino
was
lang
that
po
the
yung
question?
gusto niyong makakollaborate?
Naku, marami. Ako naman, maski sino, kung ano yung tama talaga. Ako kasi naman namimili kung sino yung gustong ibigay sa akin. Okay na ako dyan, basta may trabaho ako. Yung gano'n. But I thought your question was, as yung tatlo na who can sing, who can dance, who can act. So,
she was just pertaining to you. You can sing, you can dance, you can act.
Oh, okay,
Who else do you want to collaborate with? Kasi nga, parang you can collaborate with anyone because you can do anything.
Thank you. So, yun nga. Sino yung ibibigay sa akin, doon ako. Kasi ayoko mamili, di ba? Kung ano yung bagay sa proyekto, sa character, doon ako. Oo, hindi na uso sa akin yung mamimili ako na kung sino gusto kong katrabaho. Of course, no, parang, I would be grateful kung sino tumakatrabaho ko. But I know kasi, they know better than me kung sino yung babagay sa proyekto. So, I just go with the flow.
So, sabi niyo nga kanina, parang hindi na kayo para magplano ahead. Like, you take it one step at a time. You're very grateful kung ano yung dumating.
Siguro, may kanya-kanya naman tayo, no? But that was my realization during pandemic. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan yung ating buhay. So,
that's true. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Among the new or young artists today, who do you think can be the next star? Ay, prediction.
Ay, hindi po ako mahuhula.
Pero may napupusuan ba kayo ngayon na, ay, itong batang to parang...
Ayoko mag-name names na kami magtampo.
Diba?
Kasi marami tayong magagaling naman talaga. Sa singing, sa acting, sa, sa dancing. Ayoko mag-name names kasi baka may masaktan. Ayoko ng ganun. Kasi I know, pag may magsabi ako ng isa, meron din namang magaling diba? And then there's like more opportunities. Pero nga marami pang upcoming, diba? So mag-name names ako, ayoko. Kasi I want to be fair with everyone. I mean, I'm sure naman maraming magagaling kumanta, o sumayaw, umarte. I think they just needed to be given a chance and to prove themselves. So ayoko akong maging rason para pinpoint na, ito may chance. Pero of course, deep in my heart na parang, magaling to Yung gano'n, diba? O makikita ko, syempre, I'm sure alam mo rin yan, diba? Especially in this kind of business. Alam mo yung taong nagsishine pagdating sa performances. But for me, again, it's still the attitude, diba? Talented ka nga, pero may problema ka sa trabaho. It won't happen.
Someone 4 decades na in the industry, I'm sure you can spot agad pag, ay, may attitude ba to or mga mabait? Yes.
Yan ang hindi ko rin alam. Kasi di ba yung iba? Kasi medyo may mga features sila na sobrang tisay and they're very strong personality pero mababait.
Yes.
Diba? So I cannot really judge.
Okay, this one naman from Facebook, Mackie Vest. Kailan po magkaka-album ulit si Miss Vina Morales? Yun ang kanyang tanong.
You know what? That's also a question to myself. Siguro, maybe after this Cruz versus Cruz, siguro not an album. Kasi hindi na naman masyadong uso ang album ngayon. Either you do a single or a second single, third, the most. 5 songs. Pero, hopefully, next year, that would be my plan. Oo. Kasi I've produced my albums before with Star Music. I've had two record, and then siguro all in all, medyo marami na rin pala ako. 15 na yata yung aking album. Kasi kasi uso pa noon, di ba, yung mga cassette tape or CDs, naabutan ko lang yan. But then, yeah, right now kasi, you can just go live streaming or online, any, di ba, pwede mo nang i-release yung songs mo. So it's much easier.
Now that we're talking about that, I think perfect itong next question natin. What do you think has changed the most in the entertainment industry since you started, and how have you adapted to the changes?
Well, ako kasi, I'm the type of person na I go with the flow. I try to reinvent myself. I try to prove it to everyone na, oy, kung ito na yung level na ngayon, kaya ko rin gawin yan, di ba? I will just, give my best. Siguro, well, unang-una, sa singing, like what I've said, iba na yung mga platform ngayon, di ba? You can do shows online, you can sing online, but iba pa rin syempre yung personal, di ba, na nakikita ka nila. Sa movies naman, and well, ngayon, mostly online na rin, di ba? Yung mga teleseries, yung mga gano'n, napapanood mo na sa YouTube, FB. So, malaki talagang difference. At kung hindi ka makiuso, ay mahuhuli ka, di ba? Maiiwan ka. So, I just make sure na nasa tama lang ako. Kung nasaan ngayon ang nangyayari sa showbiz, nandiyan lang ako, di ba? Nanonood ako, pero, I want to always, like what I've said, to reinvent and kung ano yung kaya ko pang gawin.
How do you get updated? Like, tinutulungan din ba kayo ng daughter ninyo na parang, ito na yung latest, gano'n, pinapakita niyo ba sa inyo?
No, I do a lot of research.
Your own research?
Yeah, I do
wow.
that. Kasi syempre, di ba, para sa sarili ko, I mean, my own brand. So, kailangan ko, ano kung nangyayari ngayon? Ayoko mukhang tanga, di ba? So, but I always make sure na, syempre, with the help of my friends, my family, open ako dyan sa management na, ito na yung mga dapat mong gawin. Okay, nakikinig ako. Kasi ayoko naman ng close-minded. So kung ano pa ko yung kayang kong gawin at sa mga advice nila, I listen. I do listen. And if I can do it, then I'll do it. Diba? Kung hindi ko kaya, sorry, hindi ko kaya. But then, yeah, I do a lot of research naman pagdating sa mga ganyan. Parang ano lang din yan eh. Parang if you're an entrepreneur, kailangan mo malaman yung ins and outs ng product mo, di ba? Ng negosyo mo. So, ganun din ako eh. Ako yun eh. Sarili ko yun. So, I have to really improve that.
That's true. Now, this next question naman po is related to your current project. What made you say yes to do Cruise versus Cruise? Tell us more about doing an afternoon show again.
I was offered before to do a teleserye in GMA. Hindi lang talaga natuloy. It wasn't the right time, and I believe it wasn't the right project. But then when they offered me this one, itong Cruise versus Cruise, doon nabasa ka agad namin yung scout, sabi ko, ang ganda naman ito. Huwag natin itong pakawalan. Kasi it's a really nice story. And I've never had the chance to work with GMA after a long time. Ang tagal-tagal, even though, I started with GMA sa Dance Entertainment, nag-SOP ako, GMA Super Show, Kuya Herman, si Kuya Jerv, syempre, di ba? Sa Herman Moreno shows. Alam mo yung parang, tagal na, and I never had a bad relationship with any production talaga. Kasi even with GMA, napunta ako sa Channel 5. I did my show, Vina, with Selenita Blanca, Ogie Alcacid, Rico Pono. Yun yung show ko doon sa Channel 5. So, tapos, nag-ABS-CBN ako, Star Magic. So, alam mo yung parang, wala akong naging problema sa katrabaho ko. Yun ang pinaka-importante talaga. Kasi, kung meron kang medyo bad blood, or parang mabigat, at hindi ka na kukunin ulit. Diba? Ganun lang naman yun. So, to me, when it was offered to me, I was really grateful na, at saka it was the right project talaga. Sa tagal-tagal ang hinintay namin na project with GMA, ito talagang swak na swak. Tingnan mo naman, #1 kami sa Afternoon Prime. Kaya talagang lahat siguro ng mga cast, it was meant to be. It was meant to be.
Well, speaking of saying yes to Cruz versus Cruz.
Oo, at saka ako pa yung napakanta ng theme song ng teleserye, kung mababalik. Kaya sabi ko, minsan hindi mo in-expect, tapos na ibibigay sa'yo. Diba? So, I'm just always like thankful.
Now, speaking of yun nga po, yes kayo sa Cruz versus Cruz, itong next question ay from Lance Martinez of Metro Style. You've been in the industry for many years. What are your considerations today when choosing a project? What makes you say yes? What are your non-negotiables?
Kasi I've been in this business for a while, and I know what's best for me. And of course, with the help of with my management, alam nila kung ano yung dapat para sa akin at kung anong tama. Pero it's still my choice, you know? I think, sa tagal ko na rin dito, it's still, kung hindi ako komportable na gawin, talagang sasabihin ko, hindi ko kaya na gagawin. Maybe, medyo hindi naman sa pero conservative pa rin pala ako. Hindi ko kaya yung mga sexy pa rin. Meron mga sexy. Parang hindi ko kaya eh. Pero may mga, kissing scene na ako before. Younger days. May mga sexy na damit. Kaya ko naman yun. Pero yung mga super love scene, parang hindi bagay sa akin. Hindi bagay. Parang baka, Diyos ko, sabi ng magulang ko, tumigil ka na dyan. Ayaw na lihat ang listahan. Baka lumabas ang pagkabisaya. But then, yeah, I guess yun lang yung mga limitations ko. Pero other than that, wala naman. Ako kung kaya kong gawin. Pero pag mga ganyan lang, medyo yun na yung limitations. Even before, yung mga ganyan, medyo yung mga mga ganon, mga sexy scenes. Hindi lang talaga kaya eh. Wala eh.
Kahit sobrang sexy nyo naman, no?
Wala, hindi kaya eh. Hindi kaya ng face.
And we respect that.
Thank you.
And now, we have a question from Carlos Aragon of Mega Capamilya over there.